Summer is just about to end. And if you want to enjoy these last few weeks of freedom, then what's better than going into the great outdoors and enjoying nature's majesty? You can work on getting that tan ready before school starts, or escape the sun's merciless rays by swimming in the cool waters of a mountain lake. However, whatever your plans may be, one should always keep in mind that safety comes first. Thus, to help you out, we've compiled a list of 10 of the best wilderness survival tools that you should toss in your daypack or add to your camping equipment. All of these things can be helpful, whether or not your outdoor adventure goes awry. So, without any delay, let me show you some of the best survival tools you may need. You should always have a topographic map with you, even if you're going on a quick day trip to a familiar area. Even in your most frequented haunts, it's possible to get lost if you stray from the path. In that scenario, a map of the area can be the difference between life and death. Moreover, a map of the area would show you places that might be of help to you, such as a cave or any nearby water source. It might even display local landmarks that you might not want to miss on your trip. You can easily purchase this incredible tool from any convenience store for a paltry sum of $10 to $20. Now, you need something to see the map at night. Good thing that the next item on our list can help you with that. Sometimes it can go dark even in the middle of the day, due to extensive tree cover or terrible weather, and it can be hard to accomplish anything. However, don't let this ruin your vacation. Our nifty little product is here to save the day, literally, thanks to their extremely brilliant LEDs. These outdoor-friendly lanterns will light up the space around them. They are small, light, and simple to move around and store. They also have a waterproof case and an almost unbreakable design that can withstand drops of 10 feet. 3 AA batteries, which are included, powers the lanterns. 90 hours of constant use per lantern are possible with that amount of power. Considering its usefulness, I am sure that you won't mind paying the modest sum of $10 for it. The next product is something that everyone should have, no matter the circumstances. I'm sure you'll agree with me on this. No matter how careful we are, circumstances aren't always under our control, and injuries can happen. As such, one should be prepared for everything and carry a first aid kit. A good first aid kit should include band-aids and antibiotic ointment for cuts and scrapes, gauze pads for larger wounds, splints for supporting fractures, steri strips to assist close wounds with uneven edges, and alcohol prep pads that can be used for several tasks. Now, don't worry, you don't have to drive around hunting for everything on this list. You can easily buy a pre-made first aid kit for the price tag of $29, containing supplies necessary for your outdoor adventure. The next item on our list is something I consider as essential to survival outside is water. So, let's find out what it is. I don't think I need to tell you why a compass is so important when you are outdoors. In nature, there are no signs that can direct you to your destination. In such a scenario, a compass can show you the way. Furthermore, it is portable, analog, and simple to use, both by itself and in conjunction with other tools. It's pretty easy to read a compass. However, if you have any difficulty, then enroll in an orienteering course with a local outfitter or hiking or mountaineering group to learn how to use this time-tested survival tool effectively. You can get a compass from any retail store for the low price of $5 or so. The next item on our list seems like something out of the Hunger Games, but trust me, it's both authentic, as well as a real lifesaver. Water is the single most important necessity essentials of life. However, access to clean drinking water isn't always possible, especially in the outdoors. That's where the water purification tablets come in. These little capsules will work as a substitute for a water filtration system. A single tablet is enough to clean a quart of water, which is roughly equal to a liter. The pills, only costing about $13 for 50 tablets, come in a compact and lightweight container that is easy to carry. Moreover, there isn't any difficulty in using them. Just drop a pill in a jug and wait around 30 to 35 minutes for it to work its magic. The taste of the water won't be altered either, which can either be good or bad, depending on the source. Now, considering the last few items that we have discussed, this one might not feel all that glamorous or necessary, but I assure you, it is. For a variety of outdoor uses, a good loud whistle is useful. It's one of the most important survival tools if you frequently venture into the backcountry, where there are few humans and lots of wildlife. Whistling loud enough to be heard over long distances will ensure that someone will find you if you ever get lost. Moreover, a loud piercing whistle will even help scare away animals that might otherwise bother you. If at all feasible, you should keep 2 of these whistles, one linked to you and the other to your bag. In case you become separated from your equipment, you can easily get a good whistle with $7 or so. Now, if you are anything like me and are afraid of the dark, then this product is for you. Being in the dark is the only thing scarier than becoming lost. Getting trapped in a forest or the mountains with no light Sounds like a scene from our worst nightmare. Rest assured, your nightmare will never become a reality with a good emergency light. It's always a good policy to have your headlamp or emergency light, or at the very least, a small pocket-sized flashlight on you, especially if you are going on a trip. It doesn't matter that you simply want to go on a day trek. One never knows when things can take a turn for the worse, so exercise a bit of caution and buy a headlamp for $15. The next item is a bit of a head scratcher. Let's find out why. Everything one would require when in a pickle is included in this gear bag. Even sauce supplies, numerous knives and the size of credit cards have a wide range of uses, such as cleaning fish or cutting rope. The flint fire starter, multi-purpose scraper, tactical pen, tactical flashlight, compass, wire saw, and screwdriver is included as standard tools. The thermal blanket, a whistle, bandages, gauze, a bandage, a needle, and alcohol pads are among the emergency supplies. Together, they constitute a survival kit. The entire set weighs just over 1 pound. When fully packed, making it relatively light and portable, it should fit comfortably within any pack or handbag. You can get them from any convenience store for $50. Now you might not think that the next item on this list is all that important, but let me show you why it is an essential survival tool. You might not believe it, but staying warm can be a significant issue in survival situations. After sunset, temperatures can decrease quickly, especially in alpine or desert regions. You'll have to work more to maintain a safe body temperature, especially if your clothing or body is damp. These thin blankets aren't as good as a sleeping bag, but they work adequately as a substitute. They make it simpler to stay warm and dry, because they efficiently reflect your body heat at you. However, it is not the only way a space blanket can be used as a survival tool. The space blanket can be used as a reflector to cook meals. Using the energy of the sun or a candle, it can be used as a signal for help or to indicate your direction of travel. It can even serve as an addition to a ground pad or tarp when building a shelter. Last but certainly not least, here is a magical bag to keep your survival items safe and dry. A dry bag or odor-proof rucksack is an excellent method to keep crucial survival items dry and safe, such as your matches, fire starter, phone, map, etc. By using an rucksack, you can prevent your food or other supplies from getting ruined. Moreover, the bag is made from a tough and sturdy material that can survive any environment. The better versions have different compartments and pockets to store your various supplies in an easy and accessible manner. You can get this amazing product for just $13. So there you have it. These are some of the most important survival items in our opinion. What do you think? If you agree, make some noise in the comments. Which one are you going to rush out to buy for your next adventure? And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to Tech Inc. Also, while you're at it, why not check out some of these other videos that we think you'll love? Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.